Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kinilong ki khubor bam dakasni. Menteri Rangba Akajilla u Conrad Sangma mentaka khat ardrik unai lor arhajar arpulai ula ong ba umpala ban ong ba pyrshah ne kyrshan ya ke uniform civil code ni UCC namar umpat yo iya ka jingtho. Ula kentha e gitu ki ba pyrshah ya ke uniform civil code klampat tip ya ka dang kadu. Habakali halor kene ula ong ba kumno on pyrshah ya ke uniform civil code klampat yo i. La syai lada ke uniform civil code ko ong babaro kari India kari ban board ya ka jat kami kumbali ki jat bin khasi bargaru hato on pyrshah ya ka ula ong ba omde ban syukran da ka ba shumut dur klam ka jingtim klam ki jing shisha lada ke uniform civil code ko ong baro ha India de ban board ya ka jing ai jat syaka kenthe kumbali mangi hato ngin pyrshah labu jingkali Menteri Rangba bat ula ong ba omde ban shumut dur klampat yo i ya ka jing shisha ne ka draft jong ka uniform civil code namar ba ka National Law Commission kadang shupan jingmon na ki pat ba.
No, suppose the UCC says that the whole of India should become a matrilineal society. Shall I oppose it? No, I'm just asking you that if the UCC, as in when you're asking me to oppose it, suppose the UCC says tomorrow, I'm not saying it will, but I'm saying if the UCC has the thing that's saying that the UCC will be in terms of the lineage, from now on India will be lineage towards the girl child, and so the lineage will be from the mother, and so this is the new UCC.
We are not anticipating that.
No, I'm not saying. So what are you anticipating? So I don't know what to anticipate is what I'm asking you. What to object is what I'm asking you. UCC, you're asking me to come out with something, resolution on what? Give me a document. Then I will tell you whether I can object to it or not. Because tomorrow, suppose UCC says that the lineage will be from the mother, I think Meghalaya will be the first one to accept it. I'm asking you for details. So therefore, what I'm saying is we can't go for anything under assumptions. We are running a government out here. And as a government, what I'm saying is that a UCC in general, if you look at it as a thought process and as an idea for a diverse nation like country, looks very difficult is what I'm saying. So therefore, it's not something that can go very easily for a country like India, is my stand. But what to object or not to object or resolution to pass depends on what is it that the UCC is coming for. Without seeing the document, I cannot comment is what I'm saying.
But the National Law Commission is only there. Maybe the documents are there.
No. The National Law Commission is only taking views. Where is the bill? You have to give me the bill to read, and then I'll tell you whether I support or don't support. If the bill says tomorrow that whole of India will become a matrilineal country, I think maybe Meghalaya will be the first one to support.
So is there